Currently, Singapore's Dragon brand Bird's Nest has overseas markets in Malaysia, Hong Kong, Japan, Taiwan, the Philippines, and Canada. We also have made inroads into China. A good product is certain to win customers. Here in Singapore, whether it be in the Dragon brand headquarters or in the branches at Fook Hai Building, Moore Street, Takashimaya, or VivoCity, you will find a wide range of Dragon brand Bird's Nest products. Apart from attractively packaged boxes of dried bird's nests, there are also bottled varieties, including tonics which can be drunk straight from the bottle, such as Bird's Nest with rock sugar and ginseng, traditional Bird's Nest with rock sugar, sugarless Bird's Nest, quality Bird's Nest, and concentrated Bird's Nest. There is also a sugarless concentrated range suitable for diabetics and those on a diet.
Dragon brand Bird's Nest have got a history of more than 50 years. This is the brand chosen by my father when he established the business. Throughout these years, we conduct the business based on my father's belief. That is, to supply the top quality Bird's Nest to the customer.
After half a century of hard work, Dragon brand is now well established as a leading brand in the Bird's Nest market. Dragon brand products have received the international HACCP certification as well as a Halal certification. The company also won a Singapore Brand Award and was honoured as a Tasty Singapore brand. To better themselves, Dragon brand Bird's Nest and Kim Hing Bird's Nest Company actively participate in the overseas food fairs organised by Spring Singapore so as to promote their brand and enter new markets.
吃龙标燕窝很久了。
我买燕窝都是给孩子吃啊。
那我祖父是到高龄到96岁才过世，那他一路来就是吃龙标燕窝，几乎每天吃龙标燕窝。现在我好像是也是每天早上喝一罐燕窝。那他对我燕窝是对我们的人体，它的高蛋白呢对我们身体很好，所以几乎每天我都在吃燕窝。那我为了我的身体的关系。 那我们也是很操劳的，每天呢，我是当跑国际市场，所以每天要操劳。只要在新加坡，我也吃，我几乎每天都吃了。
质地非常不错。 而且价钱合理。
我喝了人和燕窝30多年了。因为我的母亲她长期吃的，她觉得这个龙标燕窝里面很浓素，它的燕窝蛮多的。我买过其他的那个标头给她吃，她每样都不喜欢，她就是要吃这个。她吃很多年了，因为老人家她补嘛，有时候她咳嗽，我看她很厉害，看医生不好，吃这个会好，要润肺。
常常都是买龙标燕窝，龙标燕窝是老字号。
OK 我通常都有买龙标燕窝了
这个龙标燕窝很好，我们一直都在吃，我们选择的是龙标燕窝。
其实我们每年都有参加这个视频展，是因为。 这个视频展每年都能够吸引到50到60万人次的参观人数。那么参加这个视频展呢，能够很有效的把那个产品介绍给广大的消费者。
When I was little, all I knew was that Bird's Nest was just lovely to eat. After visiting the Swiftlet houses in Indonesia and the modern production plants in Singapore, I now come to realize that every step is interlinked and important in ensuring the quality of the final product. From the farming of the birds, to the collection, to the cleaning, to cooking, all the way to the goods in the shop. Only then can a consumer be ensured of a top-grade quality product. Understanding the arduous journey from cave to store makes me appreciate Bird's Nest even more. And I'm truly grateful to the manufacturer's insistence on quality control. Thank you, Dragon brand Bird's Nest. 寻寻觅觅了一阵子，我终于选了龙标燕窝，就是它的品质，它的口味。